Welcome back, guys. My name is Suendu from Coding Rails. Today is day 5 of our 30 days of coding challenge, and the problem is median of two sorted arrays. Okay, so I think all of you know what is median. So the problem is there are two sorted arrays, num1 and num2 of size m and n respectively, and find the median of two sorted arrays. The overall runtime complexity should be O log m plus n. Okay, so here we have to take care of time complexity. We may assume that nums1 and nums2 cannot be both empty. That means they can say that one list may be empty, but two lists cannot be empty. Okay, so this is their constraints. So let's head over to the example. So there is 1 and 3 in a list, and the second list contains 2 only. So the median of these two lists is 2.0, and the another example is 1, 2, and there is another list 3, 4. So the median is 2 plus 3 divided by 2, 2.5. So before understanding this example, let me tell you one example, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. There are 6 elements in the list, and the length of this list is 6. So there will be 2 half. I mean, this can be divided into 2 equal half. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 is 1 half, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 1 half. Okay, so it's an even value. So the middle value is 3 and 4. Okay, you can see. So to calculate median, we have to add this and divide it by 2. In this, so you can get the median of an array or of a list which is even. Okay, I mean which is even in length. And this is another array. The length of this array is 5, which is odd. So we can simply print out the middle element. Okay, so it's the middle element and it's 3, and there will be 2 middle elements, so we have to combine them and calculate and divide it by 2, so that we can get 2.5 here. So this is all the problem. The problem is very simple, but I assure you from the next week we will have problems with certain concept. We'll learn new concept by next week. Okay, this is the first week, so I'm taking some easy problems. So in the implementation part, I'm doing nothing. So I've just simply combined the two lists and sort the list in order to get the median value, because they have mentioned that there are two sorted arrays. So I have just combined the two lists and sort it. Then I've calculated the length to check whether they are even or not, either they are even or odd. Okay, so if the length of the array is or the list is even, so we will get two values. Okay, we'll get two middle values. Then we have to calculate the average. So how can we get the middle values? Okay, if is mod 2, that means it's even. The length of the array we created called C is even. So we have to calculate two middle values, that is CM1 minus 1 or CM1. Then we have divided by 2, or we have calculated its average and stored it at mid1 and return it. If the length of C is odd, simply we calculated the median position, middle position, then we have simply printed it out and return it. Okay, simply stored it in mid1 and return it. This is very easy problem. I hope all you get it. This is it for the video, so take care. Bye bye.